Is your BMW 750 alarm constantly going off? The most common culprits are the hood switch, siren battery, and interior sensor. First, visually inspect the hood switch for corrosion or loose connections. Next, consider the siren battery. A weak or dead battery can cause false alarms. You can test the voltage with a multimeter. Lastly, evaluate the interior sensor's sensitivity. If the alarm triggers with minor vibrations, it might be too sensitive. Modern BMWs with 7.0 plus iDrive may allow sensitivity adjustments through the infotainment screen. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for fault codes like P10F0, which indicates a sensor failure. Remember, these issues are common in older 7 Series models like the E65 and E66. For a corroded hood switch, replacement is straightforward. OEM parts are often under $50. Many DIY tutorials are available online. Siren battery replacement requires accessing the siren unit, typically in the engine bay. After replacement, consider an electronic immobilizer reset tool to clear any lingering issues. If the interior sensor is too sensitive, try adjusting it via iDrive if supported. If not, professional recalibration may be needed. A temporary fix could involve partially covering the sensor to reduce sensitivity. Remember to disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the general module. Always check your work. If DIY feels risky, consult a BMW technician to avoid further issues. Statistics show 80% of BMW 750 alarm issues are due to sensor wear, not theft.